Cuff your chick.
She bad and she
Gotta
knows
get you
it.
back. She gotta get you pumped.
No, I ain't the first one to
Yeah, she a
told
bad
her.
bitch, so you know I have to tell her what's up.
She bad and she
Hey y'all, it's Pretty Ree, and this is my first episode of PrettiNatural with Pretty Ree. If you want to know more about that, just stay to the end of the video. There's going to be a whole little description thing. I'm running a little late for class, so I'm going to make this little intro short, and then I'm going to come back and finish. I'm doing this little 30-day challenge where I'm not using anything on my hair but a shampoo, conditioner, and oil. The shampoo and conditioner and oil will be revealed at the end of the video, along with why I'm doing it, all that other good stuff about PrettiNatural with Pretty Ree. And yeah, so what I did today, I washed my hair with shampoo, conditioner, and I put the oil in it, and then now I'm finna go to class. But I'm not going to be doing any more shampoos for the rest of the 30 days, and I'm only going to be conditioning my hair once a week. But I'm going to use the oil every day, and we're going to see how the oil works. So if you're interested and want to see how my journey is going to go with growing my hair out with just these 3 products, follow me on my journey of growth. You know, I should have a goal, like where my hair wants to stop. I want to have a goal right now of like this. Is this shoulder length? This is collarbone, shoulder. Yeah, shoulder length. I want a shoulder length hair. That's where we're going. And it's going to be all healthy. Just see this little heat damaged piece. I'm about to cut it. Y'all think I'm kidding, but I'm not. I'm really about to cut it because no, sister, you got to go. But I'm going to be back later after my class, and I'm gonna finish explaining. But look how hydrated my hair is, y'all. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to tell y'all what I'll be using. We finna grow our hair together, so okay, so I'm back from class. That was boring. Nobody needed to go to that class. But basically now I'm gonna explain what PrettiNatural with Pretty Ree is. It's gonna be me getting to know myself, my body, my hair, anything about me. I'm gonna, you know, let you all know what I'm gonna be doing with different aspects of my life, with different aspects of my body, improving myself to make myself better for me, you know. So this vlog or episode is gonna be about my hair, and I just want to explain to everyone why I decided to cut my hair again in the first place. Because a lot of people are like, well, you were growing it, you don't need to cut it. Yes, I did. It was bad. It was just like really broken, damaged. It was falling out. Like literally, I could, as you saw in that one video, pull my hair and like pieces of hair would come out, and it was just like bad. And I didn't understand why it was like that. But we cut it. It's gone. Moving forward. Now I'm going to do the product reveal about, you know, the things I'm going to be doing for the next 30 days with my hair. I'm only going to be using 3 products. They are Shea Moisture products, and I'm going to get them for you. This is the shampoo that I use. See it? It's the moisturizer, retention, raw shea butter, whatever shampoo from Shea Moisture. The conditioner I use is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. Oh, that looks weird. Okay, we're gonna do this. Alright, we got these 2. And now for the oil that I'm gonna be using every day on my hair. This is gonna be the only product I use. Wow. If this phone drops one more time. Anyway. Stop laughing. Okay. This is going to be the only product that I use for the next 30 days. Besides maybe Edge Control, because, you know, Shawty be having to have her hair on fleek. And, yeah. I'm probably going to, like, do, like, a week of, like, wearing my wig. Because I don't know what to do with this short stuff. Like, this is not for me. Like, short hair is not my forte. But I keep cutting it. Like, I like it, but I don't like short hair. I don't like long hair either. I don't know. I'm just picky. But I just want to say thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys, you know, writing me on social media, telling me like you're happy that I'm doing what I'm doing what makes me happy, you know, supporting me, and I really appreciate all of you guys. Let's continue to do what we gotta do. We're gonna grow our hair all 2018, but y'all knew. All right. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about Pretty Ree.